Good morning, Pants. And Stumpy. Hi. Hi, you want a secret nibble? Yeah. Alright, come on. Well, hey, Kiki. You've been out here all night hunting? Come on. Alright, Stump. You stay over there. Pants, you can stay over there. Look at that. No. Stumpy. Here you go, baby. Alright, we gotta let the girls out. Oh, hello, ladies. Y'all seem excited today. Is everybody excited? Hey, MJ. It looks like your comb's getting a little longer. Let's go, and there's little mama. Yay. Awesome. Well, thank you, Pants. I had to back up a little farther this time. She's definitely not wanting to go in lately. That's okay. Well, good morning, Quail. Everybody looks good. Are you sunbathing? Yeah. Check on these babies. Hey, babies. Well, we had a bad day for the babies. We have a loss. I don't see anything wrong with it. Sometimes we just lose a bird. What a bummer. We'll get them out of here. Nobody's getting picked on. Everybody looks healthy. This is the very first bird that I've lost from this batch. And I've lost 4 in a batch before, so this isn't that surprising. But, yeah. So, we're just gonna take him and bury him in the garden. Poor little guy. Alright, y'all. I'll bring you fresh water and food in a minute. Alright, guys. Come on. There's your treat. Hi, little mama. I'm glad you're back to your normal self. Yeah. Alright, everybody. Have a good day. It's a beautiful day today. I gotta go to work. So no treats until later.